this episode, we're going to be creating a tone check. And the nice thing about this is that this kind of text classification model is rather small, so it can be ran directly on the browser without having to make a server trip or an API call out to a LLM. So I grabbed a random comment on Reddit and I'll paste it in here. And as you can see, it returned that it was a negative comment with a pretty high level of confidence. But if we said something like, I had an awesome day, it returns a positive check. And so depending on your application, this kind of functionality could be really important, and it simply checks the sentiment. But there's also cases where you may want to be a little bit more specific in what you are checking, so sentiment isn't bad, but it's not quite hitting the mark. So we could also bring in a toxicity model that can check for things like toxicity, hate speech, and other kind of things. And again, this is all done on the browser, and I've tested it out on my iPhone, which, since these models are small enough, it still gives a pretty seamless experience. And you're able to leverage the hardware of the client instead of complicating your infrastructure or calling out to an API. And so we're going to be looking at creating this functionality in this episode. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.